Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy F05 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on wherever you want to and then tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect thanks to this key, hit Input key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. If you want to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait, and when your transfer is finished, close and add. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!